Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for short on Bonk Bot. It only takes a minute, but it adds an extra layer of security to your account. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, I'm using an abandoned Bonk Bot account, so that's why you're seeing this. I don't want to use my main account for the purpose of this video. But when you go to your Bonk Bot account and you want to activate two-factor authentication, so the first thing you need to do is to head to menu option here, click on menu. Then when you click on menu, you click on settings. When you click on settings, you scroll down. Are you seeing what I'm doing? When you scroll down, you see this, set up two-factor authentication. So you just touch it. They say by launching this mini app, you agree to terms of service for mini apps. Just click on start. Then it will redirect you to this page. Then it will bring out something like this. When it brings this thing out, all you need to do is to copy this code. When you copy this code, then you head over to your Authy app or your Google authentication app. So I'll head over to my Authy. Then this is my Authy. Because of security reasons, my Authy is not showing my dashboard. That's how it is for everyone. You can't record, you can't screenshot. If you don't know how to activate two-factor authentication, I have a video about it. So you can look up for it and watch it to understand better. Then when you get to your Authy, then you click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you will see scan QR code. Then under it, you will see enter code manually. Because it's a manual code, I copied, so I'll just click on enter code manually. Then I will paste the code and click on save. Once I click on save, I will see something like search logo by app. So I will just type Bonk Bot, then search. Then they will bring out the Bonk Bot logo for me. Once it comes out, I will click on continue. Then once you click on continue, then you will see edit logo, enter account nickname. So I will just repeat Bonk Bot. You get, then you click on save. Once you click on save, then you have activated your Bonk Bot. You have activated your Bonk Bot. So once you click on save, then you have set up your two-factor authentication. So the next thing you need to do is to copy the 6-digit code that appears immediately. This expires very fast, so you have to be fast in copying any of them. So once you copy the 6-digit code, you head over to this your Bonk Bot page and type it. So I'm done typing. Then set up your two-factor authentication enabled. So you can see I have enabled my two-factor authentication. So if you want to export your private key, your seed phrase, or anything you want to do, or if anybody try to get access to this your Bonk Bot account and they don't have access to this your two-factor authentication, they can't be able to do anything in this account, so it's useless for them. So that's why it's important you set it up for security reasons. It adds an extra layer of protection to your account, so it's actually very important. So let's head back to our Bonk Bot page. Return to Bonk Bot. Now we are back to our Bonk Bot. Because our two-factor authentication is now active, from now on, any critical action will require that code. If you are using Google authentication, make sure you save this code. That is the initial code you activated. I'm not talking about the 6-digit code that appears every second. I'm talking about the long digit that you took to your Authy to activate. So, because if you are using Google Authentication, you need to save this somewhere very safe. But if you are using Authy, you don't have any problem. You don't have any problem. So if you lose your access to your phone, you will need it to recover your account. This is for those using Google Authentication. But those using Authy, you don't have any issue. Whenever you lose your account, once you put your details back, everything will come back to you. So with two-factor enabled, Bonk Bot will ask for your 6-digit code during high-risk actions. No code, no access. Even if someone gets into your Telegram account, they won't be able to drain your wallet. It's a simple step that can save you from a nightmare. Crypto is fun, but only when your funds are safe. So do yourself a favor. Enable two-factor authentication on your Bonk Bot right now. If this video helped you out, drop a like, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe for more Bonk Bot updates on crypto safety tips. Stay safe out there. See you in my next video.